Hello everybody, and welcome to Abdel's Home Cooking. Now you may or may not know, next week is the 4th of July, America's 250th anniversary. And to celebrate our American spirit, I'm going to teach you a recipe for a special dessert perfect for those 4th of July barbecues. Today, we're going to be learning how to make ice cream cone cupcakes. And here are the ingredients we're going to be using. We're going to be using jumbo waffle cups. And because this is America's 250th anniversary, we're going to be using this kind of Pillsbury products. We're going to be using funfetti cake mix. Thanks with candy bite. Thanks. Centered around on our beloved stars and stripes. Thanks. And frosting and sprinkles too. And also for the cake, we're going to be using eggs, a cup of water, and a half cup of oil. Alright, my Yankee Doodle Dandies, before we start, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. And don't forget, I have a TikTok account now, so don't forget to check it out using the link in the description. With all that said, let's get our American spirit started. Alright, let's get started with our cake mix. First, we open our bag of cake mix. And pour it onto our bowl. Next, we add in the following: 3 large eggs, Next, we add in our water and our oil. Then we mix in our ingredients like so until we make our batter. Now, after we make our batter, let's line on our cones. We take a cone and place it onto the muffin tin, like so. Now we grab our cake batter, grab a 1/3 measuring cup, and scoop up some cake batter. Then we fill our ice cream. Then we fill in our cones with our cake batter. But not too full though, as to prevent an overflow. Alright, next we bring our cupcakes to our preheated oven like so. Very carefully though. Just a spill, you don't want to risk a spill or a burn. Right, so. Now Now we'll leave him in there for 25 minutes. Alright, looks like now our cupcakes are ready. So now let's take them out of the oven. Before doing so, be sure to have these on. Now we take our cupcakes out of the oven and remove them from the heat. And now that our cupcakes are finished baking, we're gonna let them cool down for 8 minutes before we head to the next step. Alright, now that our cupcakes have cooled off a bit, it's time to prepare the icing. First, we cut a small slit at the very tip of your piping bag. Then we take our decorating tip and place it inside. Don't worry for holding the bottom. Fit it in there like a glove. Like so. So. Now we open the piping bag. Put it over for it to stand. Next, we open up our tin of frosting. And we gradually scoop in our frosting into the bag. And squeeze it into this bag. Now that our piping bag is filled, let's top our cupcakes with frosting. Squeeze the piping bag like so. Make it into a full circle. And make out the illusion of a soft served cone. Next we add in our sprinkles. Next, we add in our sprinkles. First, grab a whole spoon and sprinkle little sprinkles on top of each cupcake. So, each small sprinkles onto each swirly top. A warning though, this part gets messy. And just like that, we got ourselves a delicious 4th of July ice cream cone cupcake. Made from a fresh blood American kitchen. So if you're ever planning a summer barbecue next week, then this is patriotic treat is the treat for you. Well everyone, that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. And don't forget, I have a TikTok account too, so make sure you check that out in the description below. And make sure you stay subscribed so you don't miss out any more of my videos. And share my videos with others. I want to make this a growing channel. Thank you so much for watching. And to America, happy 250th. Happy 250th, America. Land of the free and home of the brave.